off to go get my nails done. These are going to be my engagement party nails.
It's going to be about something to do with...
Lucy did such a good job as per usual, but oh my gosh, I love them. It's actually Danny and I's 7-year anniversary today, which is so crazy. So I've just written him a card, and then on my way back from Lucy's I went to the shops and I bought him some Lucky Saint. He really loves this. It's non-alcoholic beer. And then I also got this beer. I don't really know what it is, but I like the funky packaging. So I'm gonna put these on the kitchen table like in a heart, I think. That's kind of my vision. Obviously I haven't really gotten like anything big, but we don't really usually do like much for our anniversary in terms of like presents. Like we always like to celebrate it, but we don't really get each other presents or anything. So I thought just these would be nice. I can't stop staring at my nails, I'm so obsessed. I know I've barely spoken to you in this vlog, but we're about to head out to go and get a little drink, just one, because we have lots of things to do tonight because we're actually going to London tomorrow. But I'll update you when we're back. I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Hey, Bones! Hello, little man. Cheers! Happy anniversary!
Everyone, your 3 months, just make it with one boat.
It's London. I just said my makeup. Why am I so bad at maps? It has rewritten me so many times because I just can never not figure out what way to go. I have no idea where I am. Hi guys, as you can probably tell, I have made it to London. Sorry, it's quite loud. I've been trying to find a quiet street to vlog, but I'm literally in the centre of London. That does not exist. I'm basically down because I was invited by Hershey's, the hair brand, to come to the salon and get my hair done. So I've got that tomorrow, getting my hair cut, and it worked out well because Danny's down for work at the same time, so I'm so out of breath. I've been walking for like half an hour. It's so humid here and I'm wearing a jumper and I feel like my makeup is literally dripping off my face. This evening I'm meeting my cousin, which I'm looking forward to, and then tomorrow I basically have like a full day. Oh, okay, those girls like started to turn around and stared at me because I was vlogging behind them. I think they're laughing at me now. This evening I am meeting my cousin for dinner, which will be nice, and then tomorrow I basically have a free day apart from my haircut. I was planning on visiting a couple of museums today, but it just never really worked out exactly. I was just like a bit too far away from a few different ones that I wanted to go to, so I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I feel really anxious now because of those girls, but it's fine. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I realised I didn't really tell you what I'm actually doing right now. I'm meeting my cousin at Spitalfields Market, literally not for like 4 hours, but I don't really know what to do, so I'm kind of just wandering around, and I'm gonna go to the markets. I might go and stop for a drink, a solo drink. Kind of nervous about that though, so maybe I won't do it. I also went to Covent Garden for a wander. I got a couple of things from Boots, nothing very exciting, but I can show you later. Maybe I'll find stuff in the market. I shouldn't be doing any shopping though.
me in the office, okay? No. So
Being with
I've just been in our room for the past few hours, but I'm about to head out because our hotel is next to a charity shop, so I'm gonna go see if I can find anything. I'm also so obsessed with my hair. It looks so good and it feels so healthy. She did a really nice blowout on it, but my hair just does not hold anything, and obviously I was like wandering about and it was kind of windy, so it's kind of dropped. I might curl it later though, I'm not too sure. I'm just wearing what I wore earlier, pretty boring, but I'm gonna change later. And honestly, it's kind of cold. I feel like I brought quite a lot of summery clothes, but it's actually been kind of chilly. I've literally been trying to film this clip for half an hour and it keeps going wrong. I think I'm going insane, but I'm back in the hotel now. I did a little bit of shopping. I didn't find anything in the charity shop next door, but there was also an Oxfam up the street and I bought a dress in there. I'm not 100% sure about it. They didn't have a changing room, so I couldn't try it on, and it did cost me £10, so now I don't know if I'm kind of regretting it. It's this purple satin dress and it's got kind of a pleated skirt. When I saw it at first, I thought it was a costume, which was probably not a good sign, but I thought I would probably regret not picking it up, so I'm gonna try it on after this haul and see what it looks like. The thing I'm not too sure about is the black sparkly trim. I feel like it maybe looks kind of cheap, and I'm also not the biggest fan of a v-neck, but we will see. I technically can take it back if I don't like it, but I feel like there's just something I don't like about having to go and return something to a charity shop, because it's like I've given the money to charity and then now I'm asking for it back. There were also some more charity shops like a 10-minute walk away, which now I wish I had gone to, but at the time I really couldn't be bothered. I then went to Uniqlo and I bought this shirt. It's part of the JW Anderson collection. I've been looking at it for a while, but I originally wanted the one with the thinner stripes, but I think they have maybe discontinued that, which is a bit annoying. I actually have been to I think 4 Uniqlos on this trip to try and find it, and I haven't managed to, so I thought I would just settle with this one. I tried this on a couple of months ago, but I didn't buy it because it's not really my usual kind of style that I would wear, but I just couldn't stop thinking about it. It was a really nice fit on, so I decided to pick it up today. Then the final place I went to was Sainsbury's, and I bought myself a mini bottle of Prosecco as a little treat. My plan for the rest of the day, I have no idea what time it even is, seeing as though I have taken so long to take this clip. I literally just can't talk. But my plan is to take my makeup off, open my bottle of Prosecco, lie in bed and watch the new season, the new episode. I'm not refilming this. Watch the new episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty, then redo my makeup, and Danny has a work event tonight, which I think I'm gonna meet him at some point. I'm not really sure when. I wanted to do some more cultural things today, but I wasn't really feeling very well, so I didn't really want to be like walking around half of London. So just a pretty chilled day, but I still had fun. The dress doesn't fit, guys. Oh, this is so annoying. I'm not having a good time right now, guys. I'm feeling not good at all. I'm gonna open the Prosecco now. Okay, I'm ready to go. This is just what I've got on. Not very exciting again, but my only other option was a dress and it's quite short. Good morning everyone, please ignore the state of me. I literally woke up like 10 minutes ago. It's currently 11:30. That's so bad. I feel like I've had such a bad sleep. all this week, so I think I kind of needed a bit of a lie in. I'm trying to keep the door closed because I've got a wash in right now, so you can probably hear the washing machine. But Bones like actually takes a personal offence to closed doors, so I'm very sorry about the noise. But today is the day of our engagement party. I'm so excited. We've been planning this for ages, so I cannot wait. It's going to be so much fun. So as I said, it's 11:30 right now. The party starts at 6, but we have invited our families round beforehand at the flat. I think like around 4:30. I think we said to them 4:30 maybe. I'm kind of hoping everyone comes a bit later because I am clearly nowhere near ready. We actually still have loads of things to do. We have a few things to make for decorations tonight, and then they need to be dropped off at the venue, I think at about 4. We also have a cake coming, but my mum's collecting that thankfully. But I'm really excited to see that. I don't know what it's going to look like. What else do we need to do? We need to pick up some photo strips for decorations as well. I think I showed you them. I don't know if I ever actually showed you them. I think I said I would and then I didn't. But we got photo booth strips taken that are probably going to be used as our save the dates. But we thought they could also make nice decorations for the top of the table at the venue. Elle and I were going to go get our toes done today, which I've literally never had a pedicure in my whole life, but we thought that could be fun. But now I think that we don't really have enough time, unfortunately. Also, I'm wearing closed toe shoes. I just thought it would be fun for us to do, but I think we might have to take that off the list. Then obviously I have to get fully ready. I hope my outfit turns out okay. I tried it on a few weeks ago and I liked it, but then I tried it on 2 days ago and I didn't really like it anymore, but it's my only option. I also am on like day 2 of my period, so I think that might also be part of the problem. But yeah, I've had a fun couple days. Obviously we were in London and then Elle came up to stay, and yesterday I went with her, my sister, my mum and Danny's mum to go dress shopping, which I didn't film anything, which I kind of wish I had, but it was really overwhelming and I just wanted to like really be in the moment. We only went to one shop and I actually did find my dress, which is literally insane. I'm the most indecisive person ever. I thought it was going to take me months to find a dress I liked, but it was literally the 4th dress I tried on. So I cannot believe it. That's just so crazy. Maybe I'll talk more about that in another video, but I probably should start doing things. The flat really needs tidied and I need to do the decorations, and there's just a lot of things to do today, but so fun. I'm so excited for the engagement party.